Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 3. I said I wasn't going to do it, but after I put a black box around this, it's a pretty cool pattern, but I thought we can make this better. So if this works out, I'll publish it, but if it doesn't, you'll never see it. We're going to ungroup this guy, and we're going to take the turquoise and move it out of the way. Now I'm going to take the interactive fill tool and just swipe across, but then I'm going to go to elliptical. And I'm going to put green in the middle, but I'm going to put a black on the outside. And that's way too much. I just want a little bit of black. I really wish I could make it more, you know what? I can make it a little more black, but add another turquoise there. That might be the key right there. And see, it's kind of making it equal. The tips are kind of black. And that's kind of what I was looking for. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to move it back and Control G to group it. And they're still the same size, so I'm going to move it 2.59. Now, the only difference is now we're going to get a double whammy right there. But when I put a black box around there, so let's go ahead and just finish this. Maybe I won't do as many this time. And then go down, and I still am going to put that other one in the center. But see, since it's symmetrical, it nudges up and down both ways. Now what I'm going to do is take this one and make a copy of it, so I won't mess these up. And then I'm going to go ahead and group these so I won't mess them up. And then I'm going to turn this thing back to 0 or 90 degrees. Well, 45, because I remember I hit it at 45. I want to make it quite a bit smaller. If you remember from the first video, there's really nothing to center there. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. Take the Smart Fill tool. We'll use a completely different color this time. Well, that green worked. Now that makes that a centerable item. And when I go here, it'll snap to this. Well, snap to the center. I'm going to nudge it out of the way, then get rid of our box and nudge it back. And because we're nudging, I can just make another copy and nudge it over. Grab those 4, Control D or hit the plus key, and then Control D, Control D. And now when we look at this, I'm going to go ahead and group it together. When I put a black box around here, look at that. I think it was worth the effort. And there's still a lot you could do. That really highlight, if you made the dark blue another color. Now see, you're going to get this overrun with the tips, but big deal. Anyway, having fun. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.